How does one understand the history of artificial intelligence? In this video, we'll start at the beginning and fly through key moments that shaped AI into what it is today. This is an AI evolution timeline, starting from 1950 up to 2025. The further we go in time, the faster we move. So buckle up, let's do this. Subscribing to our channel really helps us out. It gives us the boost we need to keep bringing you awesome AI videos. So hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Back in 1950, Alan Turing introduced the Turing test, totally changing our view on AI. Can you believe how much that shifted the game? Then just a year later in 1951, the British publication Electronic Engineer featured the first AI program called Snark. It was capable of playing the game of noughts and crosses or tic-tac-toe against an opponent. Then in 1952, Arthur Samuel created Samuel's Checkers program. The program learned from its own experience and improved its performance over time, showcasing early examples of machine learning. These are actually still among the oldest existing computer programs. They're archived and runnable on a website. In 1956, the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence was held, widely considered the birthplace of AI as a distinct field of study. The project brought together researchers from various backgrounds to explore the potential of machines to perform tasks that typically required human intelligence, such as problem-solving and decision-making, and it was during this conference that the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester. Also in 1956, the Logic Theorist program developed by Alan Newell, Herbert Simon, and J.C. Shaw amazed the world by proving 38 of 52 theorems in Principia Mathematica. The program demonstrated the ability of a machine to understand and manipulate symbolic representations of knowledge, laying the foundation for future expert systems. Then in 1959, the first chatbot named ELIZA was created by Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT. ELIZA was designed to simulate a psychotherapist and engage in conversations with users based on a set of pre-programmed rules. Despite its simplicity, ELIZA sparked both excitement and controversy as one of the earliest examples of a machine that could communicate in a manner that resembled human conversation. At the same time, in 1960, the first mobile robot named Shakey was built by a team led by Richard Feynman at the Stanford Research Institute. Shakey had the ability to navigate and perform tasks in a physical environment, representing an early step towards developing intelligent robots. In 1960, Frank Rosenblatt developed the perceptron, the first artificial neural network hardware. The perceptron was inspired by the human brain and was capable of learning from data through a process called supervised learning. This development marked a significant shift in AI research towards more biologically inspired approaches to intelligence. However, the perceptron faced criticism for its limited capabilities and the lack of generalizability. But despite this, in 1962, the first AI language, namely Lisp, was created by John McCarthy. Lisp was designed to support AI research and development, and became a popular choice among AI researchers for its flexibility and powerful capabilities. In 1964, the General Problem Solver program developed by Herbert Simon and Alan Newell demonstrated the ability to solve a wide range of problems across different domains. This showcased the potential of AI to generalize knowledge and skills to new situations, contributing to the early optimism and enthusiasm for AI research. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum created a program called Natural Language Sheriff, which could understand and respond to natural language commands in a limited domain. This demonstrated the potential of AI to understand and process human language, paving the way for future advancements in natural language processing. In 1969, the first AI company named Machine Intelligence Corporation was founded by Paul and Barbara McCarthy, Nicholas V. Finley, and Daniel G. Bobrow. The company focused on developing practical applications of AI technology, but unfortunately, it went out of business after several years. In the 1970s, progress in AI research slowed down due to several factors, including the lack of computing power and the difficulty of obtaining large amounts of training data. This period became known as the first AI winter, a time of reduced funding and interest in AI research. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, expert systems emerged as a prominent area of AI research. These systems were designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. Two notable expert systems from this era include DALL, which was used for organic chemistry, and XCon, which was used for configuring computer systems. In the mid-1980s, renewed interest in AI known as the AI summer occurred, driven in part by the development of new hardware and software tools. This period saw the development of several advanced AI systems, including the speech recognition system called Harpy, which could recognize spoken English words, and the computer vision system called Vision, which could identify and categorize objects and images. In the 1990s, the backpropagation algorithm was rediscovered, leading to a resurgence of interest in neural networks. This development paved the way for the development of more powerful and sophisticated neural network models. One notable example is the development of the multilayer perceptron, which was capable of learning complex nonlinear relationships in data. In 2000, the International Joint Conference on Artificial Intelligence featured a competition called the Loebner Prize. This competition challenged researchers to create chatbots that could exhibit human-like conversational abilities. Competition continues to be held annually and has contributed to advancements in natural language processing and dialogue systems. Around the same time, in 2001, the first AI art was created by researchers at the University of Alberta. This artwork was generated using an AI system that was trained on a set of images and was intended to explore the creative potential of AI. In 2011, IBM's Watson computer system won the Jeopardy! Quiz show, defeating two former champions. This demonstrated the ability of an AI system to understand natural language, access external information, and make decisions under uncertainty, showcasing the progress of AI research in areas such as natural language processing and knowledge representation. In October 2011, Apple introduced Siri as part of the iPhone 4 South. Siri was a voice-activated intelligent assistant that could perform tasks such as answering questions, setting reminders, and controlling other aspects of the phone. This marked the beginning of AI being integrated into mainstream consumer products. In May 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo program defeated a professional Go player, ELIZA, in a 5-game match. Go is a complex board game that requires intuitive decision-making. AlphaGo's victory was a significant milestone in AI research, as it demonstrated the ability of a machine to master a game that was previously thought to be too difficult for computers to excel at. Around the same time, in 2016, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana were introduced as intelligent assistants. These virtual assistants could perform tasks such as answering questions, controlling smart home devices, and providing recommendations. They became popular in homes and workplaces. In March 2020, OpenAI's GPT-3 language model was released. GPT-3 demonstrated impressive text generation capabilities, showcasing the potential of large language models for natural language processing tasks. This marked a significant advancement in AI research and has influenced the development of subsequent language models. In August 2020, DeepMind's AlphaFold program accurately predicted the structure of proteins, which are essential to life and play a crucial role in many diseases. This achievement has significant implications for fields such as medicine and drug discovery, demonstrating the ability of AI to tackle complex scientific problems. In September 2021, Facebook's AI team released DALL, an AI system that generates realistic images from text descriptions. DALL showcased the ability of AI to understand and generate complex visual concepts, blurring the line between human and machine creativity. And then in February 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT, a conversational AI system that can generate text in a conversational format. ChatGPT quickly gained popularity due to its ability to provide human-like responses and engage in natural conversations. Also in February 2022, Stability AI and OpenAI released Stable Diffusion, an open-source text-to-image AI that is capable of generating high-quality images from text prompts. In June 2023, Anthropic launched Claude 2.0, a large language model that claims to be safer and more reliable than OpenAI's GPT-4. Claude is fine-tuned to be more honest and harmless. Its free tier allows users to send longer messages and receive longer replies than other free LLMs. And in November 2023, Google announced Gemini 2.5 Pro, an improved version of their Gemini large language model, which is expected to outperform GPT-4. The company plans to charge $1 per 1,000 words generated using Gemini 2.5 Pro. In January 2025, DeepSeek R1 is released, an open-source LLM that achieves state-of-the-art results. It becomes the best-performing open-source LLM available. In February 2025, OpenAI releases GPT 4.5 Preview. This latest version of the language model showcases advancements in natural language processing capabilities, including improved text generation and understanding of context. In April 2025, the AI Action Summit is held in Paris, where global leaders come together to discuss the responsible development and deployment of AI. At the event, InvestAI, a global initiative focused on promoting investment in AI, is unveiled with over 100 organizations, committing to invest €200 billion in AI research and development. In July 2025, DeepMind reveals AlphaGo, a system that predicts the future evolution of protein structures and functions. So that's how we got here. If you want more content like this, check out our channel. You might also be interested in another video we did recently on Google's CLI. We'll see you in the next one.